Oh my god, you guys, look, it's just coming on down. I thought springtime was here, but this looks like... Well, look at it. This is full on board winter time still. I mean, seriously. The trees are all covered up. Hey, look at... Oh, look. Can you see Marley's feet prints? I mean, I just uncovered the car. I just uncovered the Mustang, the zombie machine. Moved all that snow away from the road. Yeah, it's all back again. Marley, you don't need to run over there. He's always got to say hi to everybody. Look. Come on. I don't know why the dog's always got to say hi to everybody all the time. Look, you can barely see the... That's my landlord's four-wheeler. It's only a two-wheeler, actually. Then we got the wind chimes going on. Oh, hey, I don't know if you guys ever saw this. Look at that lawnmower. Yeah, at the beginning of wintertime, yeah, I took him over to the hardware store to go pick it up because they have a repair shop in there and they repaired it for him. Well, I don't think we're ever going to be mowing the lawn with it. Maybe I could use it as a snowblower. Love you guys.